Hi, I'm Ken Partain with Central Texas Technology Solutions in Georgetown. Today I'm going to wrap up this latest video series on the 4 most costly misconceptions about computer maintenance and repair. This is part 4 of 4. Misconception number 4. An honest computer support company should be able to give you a quote over the phone. I wish this was true, but it just isn't. Just like a good doctor, an honest and professional technician will need to diagnose your network before they can quote any price over the phone. Consider this example. A few years ago, a TV reporter went undercover to 8 different computer repair shops in Los Angeles with a perfectly working PC. They simply disconnected the cable in the back, a fix that the average computer tech would have caught in minutes with a visual inspection. Several shops improperly diagnosed the problem and wanted to charge them anywhere from $59 to over $275 to fix it. In this example, all that was needed was a simple cable being plugged back in. If someone brought that to us, we would just plug it back in and not charge them. But without seeing the machine, we could have never diagnosed that over the phone. Also, some consultants will quote you a cheap rate over the phone to actually get in the door, but then jack up the prices once they get in your office by taking 3 times as long, selling you add-ons and upsells, etc. And finally, reputable firms don't charge by the hour anyway. They give you a fixed flat rate. And here's why. One of the easiest ways to take advantage of a customer is to get them to agree to a time and materials repair. Unless you know what's wrong and how long it should take to fix it, they can soak you on the fees. And what are you going to do when they get 5 to 6 hours into a repair or a project and then spring on you the news that it will take even longer than they anticipated to fix, costing you even more money? Always, always, always make sure you get a flat rate fixed fee quote in advance so you don't end up getting burned. And never take a phone quote. That's it for the 4 most costly misconceptions about computer maintenance and repair. If we can help with your maintenance and security, with the maintenance and security of your network, please give us a call at 512-388-5559 or visit us on the web at cttsonline.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.